So far today has been quite interesting. We've had some really nice little finds. Found a couple of like cool streets with like all these like hanging umbrellas, hanging balls, hanging swing chairs. Really quite nice. And also everything's very colourful over here. I kind of like this place. It's really sweet. I don't know if like all the colourful chairs and that they got like benches and whatnot was put up for the festival, or if it's just generally like this. The dog just took a massive
travel to learn, evolve, be tolerant, open-minded, sharing one planet where we are all equal.
Now we've come to some like little body painting festival event, Águeda, and we're hearing the music. Sounds very interesting, sounds kind of paradey. We're gonna go and have a look, see what it's like.
The event has more than body painting. It's been a whole month with different activities. It even had samba.
So they had like all these events so far this month?
Yeah.
Oh, that's pretty cool. Oh, we're in for like a little treat. It's like a little, I don't know if this is a street or an alleyway. It's like, oh, this festival's going quite far into the town. Just have a look at this little scenario behind us. We're going in there. I love this place. They're all big on like umbrellas and that. We're gonna get some photos. I'm gonna pack this camera away. Oh, just look at all that. Those umbrellas back there. It's called the Sky Project. And it just goes on and goes on and goes on. If you just look all the way back there, boom, more umbrellas. This town is just absolutely colourful. Oh, and we found another umbrella avenue. Just have a look at that. Hey Rosa, what's up?
You explain.
Okay, so here's what's happened. I left the car's lights on